So we're doing a cold start. This is my 2005 S4 Avant with right at 52,000 miles. So 85 degrees. Got my daughter in the back. We're on our way to school. So it's a true cold start. It's been there all... Well, because, sweetie, I gotta post a video of this car. There's your cold start. No lights. There we go. No lights on the dash. 52,002 miles. Let's hit check. Hold on just a second, sweetie.
Why aren't you looking at that video?
I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. All right.
Daddy, look.
We're going to school.
Look at me.